Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and these are the summer cases for 2019. Apple actually updated these after their keynote on Monday at WWDC, where they introduced iOS 13, and they're now available in the store, or at least they are locally with me. So we have 3 new colors, and these colors carry across to watch bands as well, not just the regular silicone bands, but also the nylon bands as well. So this is the first one, and again, they're very expensive for what they are, $39, but they are quite nice. So this is the new one called Cornflower. This one here is Dragon Fruit, and this one is Canary Yellow. Now they have other colors similar, like Hibiscus and other yellow colors, but these are new for the summer this time around. So let's open it up. Now, just like before, this is a silicone case on the outside. It's got that very nice soft texture. On the side, of course, we've got our button like we do on all of the others. We have a microfiber cloth lining. And then on the other side, we have our volume buttons and the open notch for the silent switch. And then, of course, on the back, we've got the cutout for the camera. So this is for the XS Max. So let me put this in here. And again, some people don't like this because it's got a cutout on the bottom, but overall I think it's pretty nice, and I don't use a whole lot of cases too often, but these are nice and grippy. They're grippy enough that it makes it a little bit difficult to actually put in a pair of jeans pockets. So this looks really nice, and then these are for the XS or XS Max, but they will also fit an iPhone 10. So let's take a look at the Dragon Fruit. This one looks really nice. It's very vibrant. And let's go ahead and put this one in here. This is an iPhone 10, by the way, so you can tell that if you look at the bottom with the antenna lines or the speaker grills, they're symmetrical on an iPhone 10. And the only difference with a 10 is you'll have a little bit of a gap right there at the bottom. Otherwise, it's going to be the same. Now with the third case, let's put a XS in it, and this one should fit a little bit better. So if you take a look right around the camera, the Dragon Fruit one on the iPhone 10 has a little bit of a gap there. It's not a big deal. You probably won't even notice it. But on the XS, it fits perfectly. As I mentioned before, the bottom is not really protected. There is a little bit of a lip there, so in case you dropped it, it should protect it a little bit, but if you hit directly, it would not protect it, and that's just like any of the other cases from Apple. And that is it for the summer lineup. They're available not only for the iPhones, the XS and the XS Max, and will fit the iPhone 10, but also they're available for the Apple Watch bands as well. Let me know which one you like in the comments below: Cornflower, Dragon Fruit, and Canary Yellow. Let me know in the comments below. I'll link a new wallpaper in the description, as I always do, this one in particular. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.